Hello, what's up my family squad? Welcome, and I'm glad to have you here. My name's Kenga, just in case you're new, and if you're coming back and watching again, thank you so much for coming back, guys. So today we're going to do another beauty video, guys, and I'll be explaining to you what I'm about to do. So let me give you this beauty tip, beauty secret, and a beauty hack. And before we start, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, guys, just go and subscribe. It's free to subscribe. And also, if you like beauty videos, guys, from now on I'll be doing only beauty videos and a few vlogs. So yeah, I decided to niche down the aim which I'm about to do, because when I started this channel, my aim was to do beauty, and yes, it's all about using products, remedies, and to get that beautiful skin, guys. So I have niched down because just to be clear, I went out of my way for this channel, and as you can see my videos, but I won't delete them, they're there. But my aim is just to do beauty. And yes, guys, so from now onwards, anyone expecting to know anything, any secret about beauty, any tip about beauty, any beauty hacks, I'll be giving you, because most of you have been asking me what I'm using, and I've decided to be giving you out my secrets, my beauty secrets, to you for free. All you have to do is just go and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell, the bell there, so that you will be notified whenever I post any future video, guys. So yeah, let's go hop on to this video. So as I said, today is a beauty video, and today I'm going to show you what to apply on your face to get a younger face, a fair skin face, to get that glowing face and clear face, looking glass skin face. So yeah, let me show you this beauty secret. I know most of you know, but also most of you don't know about this secret. It's in your kitchen, and everything which I'll be showing you, guys, are things which they are available at your reach, guys, anywhere in your kitchens. It's something very affordable, maybe you can buy, and I'll be showing you how to apply those and the benefits of those. And yes, so today I'm going to be applying rice water on my face, and I'm going to show you how you can apply that rice water on your face, because some of you just take the rice water as it is, as many videos I've seen, and they apply on their face. If you want to get all the benefit of that rice water, I'm going to show you the best, the correct, the perfect way to apply and still gain all that benefits of that rice, all the ingredients and vitamins of that rice being soaked into your skin. So let me start by showing you how you do. Guys, this is my rice water. I've rinsed it. I've washed my rice. The time I was cooking the rice, I washed it. The first water which you wash with that rice, you rinse it out in another bowl. Make sure you don't put a lot of water. I'll show you in a clip how you wash that water and how you rinse it out. I'll show you. So after you've rinsed this water, you let it settle down. You let it settle down, guys. I hope you can see this. Yes. So there, you let this water settle down for about 2 hours or even 3 hours. If you can afford that time, you let it settle for 4 hours. And after it has settled down, that water, I'll show you how to do it. You take another bowl. Guys, then you rinse it out. You see that water coming out is clear. So all the starch which we need is down here. It's down there. You see, we need all that concentrated, thick, very thick water, that starch of that rice. So make sure you don't pour it all out. And this is for throwing away. You don't need this. This, you will throw it away. So let me pour this out here so that you can see. There. Now we have our rice water. You see? Now what we need is this. If you have a spray bottle, you can put it in a spray bottle. Then every morning you do it as a routine, or maybe in the evening when you're about to sleep. It works best in the evening. I would recommend it. You maybe, if you want to apply it in the evening when you're at home just resting. So you just spray it on your face and you just leave the skin to soak in all those ingredients of this rice water in your face. Try this for 7 days and I'm telling you, if your skin won't change, come and comment down below. Tell me. This rice water will brighten those dark spots, will brighten those pigmentation which you have, or sunburns which you have. This rice water will do that to your skin. This rice water will also get rid of those wrinkles on your face, all those wrinkles and the wrinkles for premature aging. Yes, it will just get rid of that, make your skin more tighter, and it will make you look younger. So this also rice water will make your skin so glowy, very glowy, like a glass skin face. You won't believe it. And it will also help you with pimples and acne. It gets rid of that, I'm telling you. So that's why people are selling you this rice. Okay, that's why people are selling you this rice soap. You see, you know why they're selling you this rice soap? They take all that liquid, they want to pour it out, also they make it in that soap. But if you use just this purely rice water with no chemicals ingredients in here, just the rice, the starch of the rice in there, it will be so much beneficial more than using those rice soap. So if you want to get your face to be clear, to be fair, to be toned down, to be ready to have that glass face, no pimples, no spots, no acne, no wrinkles, and no dryness on your face, try this. Even if you try this, you don't have time for 7 days, just put it in your spray, find a spray bottle, an empty spray bottle. I sincerely am looking at my products there and I don't have a spray bottle, an empty spray bottle. So if you have an empty spray bottle, you can do this. But don't worry, if you don't have, I've got you, girl. I've got you. Tips are here and secrets of beauty. If you don't have that empty spray bottle, don't worry, I'm going to show you how to apply it too, and it will be so easy. Just store this in your fridge. Make sure you don't store it outside, or maybe you can be making this every day if you're eating rice, or you have a rice which you can just wash and throw it away, up to you. But if you are an economizer like me, myself, I get this rice water when I'm cooking rice. That's easy and simple. So when I get this rice water, I just store it in the fridge. You store it in the fridge and you'll be applying. If you want to be applying every day, or you want to apply 4 times a week, it's okay, it's okay. So store this in the fridge and I'll show you how to be applying with that spray, that empty spray bottle. So let's get started. Apply real fast and I'll show you the results. So get your cotton balls, your clean cotton, and then just take a little of cotton. Make sure you wash your face with soap first so that you get that clean face before you apply it. I'm really trying to find that angle because I didn't get that good angle of this camera, guys, so don't mind me. I hope you'll be patient enough and kunivumilia. So I'm just going to take this hair out of my face. I hope it will stay out. Time to remake this face and repair this. This really does repair your skin, guys. And for your concern, I'm not applying anything. My face is clean. I'm not applying any foundation or whatever. If I will apply a foundation, you will see on my face. So just look at my face. I've been doing these remedies for a very long time now, and that's why I get this skin. Yeah, everything is to work hard for. Nothing comes easy, guys. So you'll be asking what I'm using. Now I'm ready to tell you all my secrets here. Just subscribe and make sure you like, share this video if you know someone who needs to know this beauty tip and this beauty secret, guys. So if you don't have money to buy that rice soap or whatever, rice cream, whatever, just do this, and it's very economical and very useful. So I'm just going to take with my cotton ball and apply all around your face, and make sure all the time, I always say, just make sure to go in circle mode. You just do in circles. You can apply on your neck too if you want. It gets rid of those dark eye circles. It will help you with that, and also it will help you with, imagine, it will help you with your eyelashes, to grow your eyelashes. Believe me, it will. So if you want to get that clean face, clear face, and also to grow those eyelashes to be longer, to be thicker, just do this. Apply, apply, apply. Madam, apply. So as you can see, the results are almost instant, like instant. guys, just leave this for your skin to soak all those ingredients in, to soak all those beneficial ingredients in that rice in your face. And if you do this regularly, like I would recommend this, you do 4 times a week, you will see within 1-2 weeks, you will see the results. They're amazing. You look younger, you look fair and radiant, and all those freckles and pigmentations and dead skin, there will be no more. And those spots, there will be no more of them. So yes guys, it's that simple, it's that easy, just for you to be beautiful, to be pretty, to be cute, and to have that admiring and envious skin which you want. So guys, I'm going to leave this to soak in for about 2, even 3 hours. I'm going to leave it there. It will brighten your face, also get rid of those sunburns, and yes, you will be, I don't know how much more to emphasize with the goodness of this rice water. So guys, yes, until the next video, obviously I'm not going to wash it off right now. I don't know if I'll film it after I've washed it out, because I'm going just to stay like this 3, even 4 hours. And just imagine when I washed it out, the results, how it will be, because right now I'm loving it. Even 15 minutes are not yet done, and I'm loving it. My face looks moisturized. Can't even say it enough. So guys, make sure to watch my next video to see which beauty hack it is, which beauty secret I'm giving out, which beauty tip I'll be giving out. So make sure to hit that bell and hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to like this video and also share to those who you need them to know, guys. So until my next video, I'll see you around while I'm flexing my... Alison wants to say hi. Alison, come back.
Hi, my name is Alison, and this is my mom, and I have my sister watching the phone.
Yay!
Clap for me. When I was singing. When you see that video to this time, my mom have this thing subscribe. I've put now to see this video every day, and you put water with the subscribe every day. You just do like that. Bye.
Bye. You even say you do that with the spray every day. Bye. And I'll be flexing.